In order to add extra allowance to the pattern using the same option, firstly we need to create a pattern. Here I will be creating a random pattern using the line submenu from draw menu. In that I will be using normal line and vertical line. So firstly I will be creating a tracing, and using the extract submenu from the draw menu I will get the pattern. In order to draw a line, click on the line icon in the toolbar, or you can access that from the draw menu by selecting the line option, and there you can find the normal option. Click on the length and the angle checkbox and click on apply. Now click on the working area to mark the first point. As you will move the cursor a little bit, you will see a line of that particular mentioned length and angle is created. Click again to mark the second or the last point of the line. Now the angle will be changed here and click on apply. From the first point of the line itself, single click, move the cursor a little bit. You will see a line of that particular mentioned length and angle is created. Click again to mark the second point of the second line. Now I will be creating two vertical lines, and for that I will be accessing the vertical option from the menu tablet by clicking on the back button here. Here you can see the vertical option. From the second point of the lines previously made, I will be creating a vertical line. That can be simply done by clicking on the square box of the line, move the cursor a little bit, and you will see a line of the mentioned length has been created. Click again to mark the second point of the vertical line. Similarly, another vertical line can also be created. Now, in order to join these two vertical lines, we will be using the normal option which can be accessed from the menu tablet. Uncheck the length and the angle checkboxes and click on apply. Click on the square box of the first vertical line and join it with the square box of the second vertical line. With a single click, the tracing has been completed. Now use the extract submenu from the draw menu or the extract icon from the toolbar. Select the largest option, give a name to the pattern that will be extracted and click on apply. As you will hover the mouse on the tracing, you will see the green line has been changed into a dotted red-green line. Single click and you will see that it has now changed into yellow color, indicating that the pattern has been extracted. You can see the pattern is also shown in the pattern area with the same name that you have given to the pattern. Now, since the pattern has been extracted, we can add seam to the pattern. For that, you can either click on the seam icon in the toolbar, or you can select the tools menu and there you can find the seam sub menu. In the menu tablet, mention the starting and ending corners for the seam and mention the seam value and click on apply. Now, there are two ways in which you can add a seam. The first way is to add seam to the selected pattern segment. For that, you need to select the pattern segment in the clockwise direction. Single click on the starting point of the pattern segment, move the cursor to the second point and single click again. Here you can see a seam has been added only beside the selected pattern segment. Now, the second way is to create seam to the entire pattern except the segment that is selected. For that, you need to select the segment in anti-clockwise direction. Single click on the starting point of the segment, move the cursor to the second point of the segment and single click. Here you can see that seam has been added to the entire pattern except the segment that was selected.